Ow, that hurt. Anyways, all time.
Kicked off my shoes, dashed it in the ring. My jacket is a cape, and my umbrella is a cape.
Hi everybody, my name is Natalie and welcome to my channel if you're new, or welcome back if you're not. Today we're going to be filming another haul. This time it's not a sponsored haul. There's only 2 pieces that I got gifted from a brand, but the rest is what I got for myself. The majority of it is thrifted, so it's mainly like a thrift haul, but I'm also going to talk about the items that I got in a store. But yeah, without further ado, let's jump right into it. I think I'm gonna start with all the skirts because I just have so many. All of them I thrifted and some of them I got in my mom's closet actually, so I kind of say that I thrifted them in my mom's closet because she never throws anything away, so there's stuff that's been there since, I don't know, since I've been born basically. So yeah, anyways, this is the first midi slash maxi skirts. It's very long, so I would say that this is more of a maxi skirt and it's this dark brown color. I'm usually not a big fan of this cut. Like you can see, it's kind of like the A cut, you know, it just like flows out, which I don't really like that much. I prefer maxi dresses that are kind of like fitted because I feel like they make me look really tall and slim, but I don't really care. Like I love this so much. This is like 100% vintage. It says that it's been made in France. See, like that has to be vintage, but it's still in this beautiful shape. Oh my god, wait, I just realized the tag is here. So this is actually the front, but I don't like this. I will probably wear it the other way around because I like how simple this looks. So yeah, then we have this black skirt, which is long black maxi skirt, and this is the cut actually that I prefer. Like, see how this is, like it doesn't flow out, it just goes straight down, and I absolutely love this. It again has this like crisscross detail, but this time it's like on the back side, and then it also has this like cut in the back so that it's easier to walk in, which is super nice. Like when I saw this, I screamed because I saw this picture on my Pinterest and I really wanted to recreate it. So now I have the skirt and all that's left is the top, but I can easily just DIY it, so yay. This is the next skirt. This is like my favorite, I think, out of them. Well, I don't know. The next 2 are close, but whatever. This is a beautiful beige skirt. Again, like look how maxi it is. And then the waist fits me in the most perfect way. Like I don't get how all of these skirts fit me so nicely. This is actually from Benetton, but I'm like 100% sure it's vintage as well because look right here. It says it was made in Italy, so I don't think Benetton makes their clothes in Italy anymore. So yeah, I think this is again vintage, but I might be wrong, but whatever, I don't care. I just love this skirt so much, so I'm excited to wear it. This is the next skirt that I forgot to put in this haul, but here we have it. This I actually showed in my last video where I styled this. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. It's like how to look trendy with no effort outfits in this summer, basically. But yeah, look at this skirt. It's literally so pretty. I love the fabric. Like I love, you know, it has some texture to it, which I absolutely love. Again, this skirt fits me in the most amazing way possible, like right under my belly button. It makes me look so tall and slim. I love it so much. Again, it's like not flowing out, which I again love. This is the brand, it's Caroli, and again it says it was made in France, so I think it's vintage as well. And I found this in my mom's closet and I'm so freaking happy about it because it's just so beautiful, so trendy. So yeah, the last skirt that I'm gonna talk about is this beautiful pink, like flowery, it's not flowery, but I don't even know what this like print is. It's so pretty, and this is a midi skirt. It's not a maxi skirt. It's so flowy, so beautiful. I love everything about it. I again found this actually in my mom's closet, and it's from Next, and again I think it's vintage, but I might be wrong. This skirt was the only one that was like super big on me, so I kind of like safety pinned it to make it fit me better. But yeah, I literally wore this like 10 times already because it's so beautiful, and I feel like a little fairy in this. So yeah, next item is a dress. It's a slip dress that I found, and it's actually from Intimissimi, and it's so beautiful. You know me, I love my slip dresses, and this one is a little bit too big on me, but I kind of like did the little safety pin trick and I made it like really tight on me, so the fabric is so comfortable too, and I love how like it shines, kind of like it's so beautiful. It's not satin or silk, it's like, I don't even know how to describe this fabric. fabric. It's so, like, it's way more, like, comfortable for sleeping, but I'm not gonna sleep in it. I'm gonna wear this out because it's so beautiful. Then we have some pants. My sister thrifted these on me. She found them on Vinted. They're like the perfect flared black pants that I could ever find for myself. Like I was searching for these for the longest time. None of the ones that I found really fit me, but these ones are just like the perfect flare, the perfect high waist, and they're so comfortable. Like they're this like legging material, but like thicker, so I feel really like secure in them. And they're originally from Bershka. They're size small, and also they have some texture, which again makes them look more chicer than just like, you know, normal pairs of leggings. So yeah, I love these, and I already wore them to death. So okay, the next pair is actually, oh my god, this was such a huge thing for me because I was searching for a good pair of pants for the longest time. I mean, jeans. And then I was in the store and I actually found a pair of pants, which are these ones, that I absolutely loved on my body, but like I couldn't decide which size fits me better. I had extra small and then extra small. And the extra small fit me really nice, but it was like really oversized, which I know is like the hyped up style right now, but it just didn't like flatter my body in the way that I liked it. And then I had the extra small, which like flattered me so much, but I knew that that wasn't like the trend. Like the very fitted pants are not really in style anymore. I ended up getting the extra small, and I'm pretty happy with them. I have to say I do not wear them that much because they're just like very tight, and sometimes you just want to be comfortable, but they are definitely like my number one pairs of jeans. I love them. I love the wash. Then actually I also needed a black pair of straight leg jeans, so I ended up getting the extra smalls, the bigger size in the black pairs, which is actually so nice because usually I wear these to like, you know, shootings where I spend the whole day, so these are super comfortable and they look chic. Basically, the point of the story, this is extra small, this is extra small. They both fit me a little bit differently, but they are amazing and I definitely recommend this fit. This is what they are called, high waist straight. I got it in this size 32 and it's from Bershka. Then we have a coat, but I actually forgot to bring it here, so I'm gonna bring it. Okay, this is the coat that I was talking about. It's very loud, so I'm gonna put it down, but it's super long. Like when I say long, I mean super long. It goes down to my ankles. I sometimes have to like pick it up when I'm walking up the stairs because I'm scared that I'm gonna step on it, but it's so beautiful. I actually found this on Vinted, so it's thrifted as well. It's from the brand Edited, which like I love this brand so much, so I'm happy that I got this second-handed. And it's very light. It's like the perfect fall/spring coat that I found. And if you've been following me on my Instagram, you've seen it a lot on my feed. Like it's just so Instagrammable. It looks so good. And I just love this so much. So yeah, the next item I'm actually wearing right now, which are these beautiful sweatpants. Wait, I'm gonna take them off for you so you see them. I'm naked. I'm joking. Anyways, they are from Brandy Melville and I got these when I was visiting my sister in Netherlands. These are so amazing. I really wanted like a light pair of sweatpants, and I've had two pairs actually of Brandy Melville sweatpants, which I absolutely like loved. However, I cannot really say it about these, which I'm so sorry about because I was like so happy getting these. The reason why I can't say it about these is because they started to make, they're like the signature style, which is like this one. They started to make it in like the super soft version, and when you try them on, when you wear them, you literally feel like in heaven. This is the inside, and I don't think it makes it the justice because it's like so comfortable. However, I think the soft fabric is more prone to like lumps, because look, I've had them for not even a month and this is what's happening. It's not only on the elastic band, it's also like all over. See, like this is the butt area. It's, yeah. So I would probably recommend getting like the normal ones more, even though they're not as soft, because like they don't lump. I've had the normal version for almost 3 years and they're in a beautiful state, and these I've been wearing every single day for the past month and they're not in the best condition ever, so I don't think I recommend them that much. Okay, and last but not least, I got two new pairs of Converse. And I actually got these gifted to me, which I'm so, like, I can't believe that I'm saying this, that like Converse is getting me free stuff. Yeah, whatever. First ones are these. These are so cute. They're these Chuck Taylor pair, and I don't know how to describe these. Like, they're so cool. They have like this texture. I have to say, I do need to still kind of break them in because I'm getting some blisters from them. But that's just because I'm not used to wearing like the non-platform Converse. Like, the only pairs of Converse that I own are all on platforms. But yeah, they are so beautiful. And I love them so much. So this is the first pair. And then the second pair is these. They have like this super big platform. See, like, they are really big. And then they also have these things which makes them so cool to walk in. Like, you feel like you're walking on a cloud. And then this is also like a textured fabric, like you can see here. It's not smooth at all. And I also love the green on them. Like, I don't know. I love them a lot. So thank you, Converse, for getting these for me. I'm so happy with them. But yeah, make sure to check out Converse because they have so many like styles that I didn't even know that existed. When I walked into their like little showroom, they had so many different styles that I never saw. So make sure to check them out because like they're super cool. But yeah, anyways, that was everything, guys. As I said, most of it is thrifted, but some of it is not. So I hope you got a little bit inspired. I will link everything in the bio for the things that I store bought. I hope you enjoy this sit down type of try on haul, because usually I like try on the things and show you them at the same time, but I feel like I wanted to try something new, so I hope you like this as well. But yeah, also if you have a minute, go check out my Instagram and my TikTok, and I love you so much. Thank you for all the support, all the views, all the likes, all the comments. I'm so happy. It means the world to me. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna let you enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!